Hi there and welcome to another video from Max Revs. If you're looking for part 3 of how I fixed the handling of my Porsche Cayman, you're just going to have to wait a little bit longer. Today I wanted to basically make a feel-good video for me which covers a recent road trip I did to Wales. It was my car and then a bunch of GT4s. There's not much to say in this video apart from get out there in the good weather, get into your car, make good use of it, and if you can, meet up with some mates. Enjoying life and cars to the max. Hello there, this is the start of a Max Revs road trip. The weather's great, the exhaust is on. It plans to be a great weekend enjoying life and cars to the max. How it should be, centre of gravity. Thank you so much. The handling is spot on. The soul adds to the character. The car's perfect. I know it's not a GT4, but you know what? It's the best Cayman. The best Cayman is the one that you can afford. This is day 2 of the Max Revs road trip, bit of an early start, could have done with a bit more sleep, but that's how it goes, enjoying life and cars to the max. This I think is probably the best Cayman you can probably get if you're willing to accept the ground clearance, the 981 GT4 with the Club Sport package inside. Behind me over there you can basically see the 718 GT4. I do like it with the actual yellow stripes, probably a bit loud for me, but it really works with the yellow calipers and the yellow deviated stitching inside that cabin. There's a few moments where you're kind of going over a few crests and stuff, and you can kind of feel that movement within the car on some of the bends. The tyres are fantastic, the car handling is amazing. Eddie, we took a wrong turn. Sorry about that. We kind of lost you back there. I think you're still messaging us now. We're going to head back down this dirt path. We've ended up here on top of this awesome landscape. We're just waiting for another 4x4 to pass so we can go down this single track road. This is the landscape in Wales. We're just turning around. It's absolutely gorgeous. Enjoying life and cars to the max. Make good use of your cars. They're not just showpieces. Enjoying life and cars to the max. That's exactly what this is about. Something we were just talking about back there, we had some very narrow passes and access roads in South Wales to get here. We were just saying if we're in the 992 we wouldn't have felt comfortable driving on the tight spots that we had. Another car, another van comes by, lorries even, very tight spots. The Cayman is perfectly suited in terms of dimensions. We're just waiting for Eddie to come through, then we're going to start again. So yes, the Cayman is the ideal car.